Hello everyone. I am in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and I want you to see this. Is this like a baby bearded dragon or something? And it looks bigger probably on camera when I zoom in than what it actually is. But yeah, it might be 2 feet long. Snakes use the other creatures use their tongue also to sense out prey, sense out enemy, okay, danger. Somebody might be sticking their tongue out at you. You see it, look over here. Reptile, okay. This is the year of the snake, okay. Taking off the old dead skin and revealing your new shiny scales. Okay, your new repertoire. Okay. See it? Looking right at me. What's up there, little God's creature, divine's creature, Elohim's creature? What's going on? You got something to say? I saw you the other day on the other side of the fence. You've made it over here. Congratulations. Anything you'd like to say?